Welcome to the CCN News Desk. Today we're talking about concealed carry, firearms, and reciprocity laws in New Hampshire. New Hampshire, home to the best fall foliage. Now hey guys, remember, this is not legal advice. Please consult your state's official government website prior to acting on anything stated in this broadcast. And as always, for the most up-to-date information, please visit New Hampshire's Reciprocity map on concealedcoalition.com. Let's kick it off with our first question. Kate?
Does New Hampshire recognize constitutional carry? Basically, does New Hampshire allow you to carry a gun without a permit? Yes, constitutional carry is legal in the state of New Hampshire. Does New Hampshire allow open carry of guns? This is legal in New Hampshire without a license for anyone at least 18 years of age who can legally possess a firearm. Is concealed carry legal in New Hampshire? The same rules apply to concealed carry as to open carry, with anyone at least 18 years of age being able to carry a concealed firearm without a license or permit. How difficult is it to obtain a carry permit in New Hampshire? New Hampshire is a shall-issue permitless carry state. Residents apply to the local law enforcement office and non-residents to the State Department of Justice.
Can you carry a concealed handgun in a vehicle in New Hampshire? Yes, without a license for anyone not otherwise prohibited by statute from possessing a firearm. Can you carry a concealed firearm at roadside rest areas in New Hampshire? New Hampshire does allow for the concealed carry of firearms at roadside rest areas. Can you carry a concealed firearm in state and national parks, state and national forests, and wildlife management areas in New Hampshire? Yes, concealed carry is allowed in state and national parks, state and national forests, and wildlife management areas. Can you carry a concealed firearm in bars and restaurants that serve alcohol in New Hampshire? Yes, there is no statute making it illegal to concealed carry in bars or restaurants unless posted. How do you know you're from New Hampshire?
How?
You're always drinking Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee.
How do you know you're from New Hampshire?
How?
If you've ever seen or heard of the old man. How many states recognize my New Hampshire permit? 10 states recognize full reciprocity in New Hampshire, and 21 states recognize reciprocity with restrictions in New Hampshire. Where can't I carry my concealed firearm in New Hampshire? Since this question varies from county to county, we recommend you check your local government's website and visit New Hampshire's reciprocity page on concealedcoalition.com for the most up-to-date information. What is the legal age for handgun purchase and concealed carry permit in New Hampshire? The minimum age is 18 years old. Can I bring my concealed firearm to another state when I visit? Yes, New Hampshire shares reciprocity with 29 additional states. Please refer to concealedcoalition.com's reciprocity map for more information.
Can you carry or possess a firearm on hotel property in New Hampshire? New Hampshire statutes don't specifically address firearms at hotels. However, each hotel develops its own policies. Check with the individual hotel and inquire about its concealed carry policy before entering the premises. Do you have a duty to notify a police officer that you're carrying a firearm in New Hampshire? There is no duty to inform a law enforcement officer that you're carrying a concealed firearm in New Hampshire. We recommend that you always inform the officer that you are lawfully carrying a firearm. Are no weapons allowed signs enforced in New Hampshire? No, no weapons allowed signs are not enforced in New Hampshire. Does New Hampshire have any red flag laws? No, New Hampshire does not have a red flag law. Does New Hampshire state law define brandishing? New Hampshire does not explicitly outline the definition of brandishing. However, a person is guilty of reckless conduct if he recklessly engages in conduct that places or may place another in danger of serious bodily injury. A person is guilty of criminal threatening when, by physical conduct, the person places or attempts to place another in fear of imminent bodily injury or physical contact. As of September 21st, 2021, the act of displaying a firearm does not count as reckless conduct in and of itself and without additional circumstances. Does New Hampshire have laws regarding carrying a concealed firearm while using alcohol or chemical substances? This isn't addressed in state statutes. Regardless of the laws in your state, it is unwise to carry while under the influence of any substance that could impair your judgment, slow your reaction times, or impact your decision-making abilities. Any decision you make while carrying a firearm could have life-altering consequences. What's a New Hampshire traffic jam?
What?
Wild turkeys walking across the road.
The state motto is, "Live free or die," which appears on license plates made by prisoners. Can you conceal carry weapons other than handguns in New Hampshire with a concealed carry license? No. A concealed carry license does not permit you to carry weapons other than handguns in New Hampshire. Is it legal to own a taser or a stun gun in New Hampshire? Stun guns and tasers are legal to purchase and possess without a license for anyone at least 18 years old with no felony convictions. Is it legal to buy or use chemical spray or pepper spray in New Hampshire? There are no laws that prohibit the purchase or use of pepper spray in New Hampshire. Does New Hampshire have magazine capacity restrictions for handguns? No, there's no limit to magazine capacity for handguns in New Hampshire. Does New Hampshire have ammunition restrictions? Yes. New Hampshire law prohibits any person from attempting to use or using in the course of committing any misdemeanor or felony, any Teflon-coated or armor-piercing bullet or cartridge, or any bullet or cartridge that contains an explosive substance in the projectile and is designed to explode upon impact.
Does New Hampshire issue concealed carry licenses to non-residents? Yes, the process is the same as for residents. Does New Hampshire allow the public to access concealed carry registry information through public records law? No, concealed carry registry information is available only for law enforcement. Is a permit required to purchase a handgun in New Hampshire? No, a permit is not required to purchase a handgun in New Hampshire. Are background checks required for private gun sales in New Hampshire? No, private firearms transfers are not subject to a background check requirement, although federal and state purchaser prohibitions, including age restrictions, still apply. You should retain any sales receipts to prove ownership of the gun. Do handguns need to be registered in New Hampshire? Handguns do not need to be registered in New Hampshire. What is the minimum age to possess and transport a handgun in New Hampshire? The minimum age to possess and transport a handgun is 18 years old.
Well, that's all the time we have for you today. Thanks for tuning into CCN, your Concealed Coalition Network, helping you protect what matters most. I'm Kate.
And I'm Sam.
And remember to be a guardian always and a warrior when needed.